So, this is what you want out of your life.
Living legend inside of a Smith & Wesson sliding out of the...
This gives you a sense of fulfillment.
Drink?
I spend all night writing about the corruption of this town. And you do nothing.
For today's top story, newspaper mogul James Reed was found dead, leaving his son in charge of his media empire.
Sorry to hear about your father.
Hey, Kato, you knew my dad pretty well, right? Now that he's gone, I'm thinking I haven't done anything good my whole life. I'm not sure what I should do.
Wanna see something cool?
Whoa! You did that? What did you think of my father?
Was a complex man.
Think about this, Kato. We've been completely wasting our potential. The city needs our help. We could be heroes. Here's what will make us different. We will pose as villains to get close to the bad guys. That way, no one will suspect we're really the good guys. I want you to take my hand, and I want you to come with me on this adventure.
I'll go with you, but I don't want to touch you.
Okay, you don't have to take my hand, but will you come with me on this adventure?
Okay.
Yes. What do we call him? The Green Hornets.
I'm Lenore Case. I'm a new secretary.
Perfect.
I want the head of the Green Hornet, and I want it tonight.
You know what you are? You're a human Swiss Army knife. Just when you think there couldn't be any more cool things, a new thing comes out. What's this?
It's a gas gun.
A gas gun? How does it even work?
Okay.
Let's roll, Kato. Red light, stop! Stop! Camera got us. Can I shoot one?
I had the craziest dream last night about a girl who was turned into a swan. But her prince falls for the wrong girl, and she kills herself. He promised to feature me more this season.
Well, he should. You've been there long enough. And you're the most dedicated dancer in the company.
Our new Swan Queen, the exquisite Nina Sayers.
I'm Lily. You're gonna be amazing.
Watch the way she moves. Sensual. She's not faking it.
Seduces! Attack it! Attack it! Come on!
Where'd you get these?
It's nothing.
You sweet girl.
Feel my touch. Respond to it.
Someone's hot for teacher. I don't want to talk about that.
We really need to relax.
It's the role, isn't it? It's all this pressure. I knew it'd be too much. I knew it.
Ow, what's she doing here? He made me your alternate.
The only person standing in your way is you.
How do you know where I live? I have my ways. She's after me.
Nobody's after you.
Please believe me.
Sweet girl. Sweet girl. What happened to my sweet girl?
She's gone!
I had a fairly standard childhood.
Hurry! There isn't much time.
With parents who couldn't wait to get me out of the house.
You are destined for greatness.
That was a lot of expectation to place on an 8-day-old. Turns out another family in the Glaupunk quadrant had a very similar idea. That was the day I met Mr. Goody Two-Shoes. And our glorious rivalry was born. Our battles quickly got more elaborate. You've fallen right into my trap.
Can't trap justice.
He would win some. I would almost win others. He took the name Metro Man. I decided to pick something a little more humble. Megamind. Incredibly handsome master of all villainy.
This November.
All right, put your hands in the air.
Yeah, Metro City!
And I love you, random citizen.
The battle between good and evil. Megamind will blow your mind.
This will be the last you ever hear of Roxanne Ritchie! Huh?
Don't panic, Roxy.
I'm not panicking.
I'm on my way.
Oh! I'm shaking in my custom baby seal leather boots.
Will Ferrell. Tina Fey.
Wow, that was really exciting.
Jonah Hill.
I'd be watching you like a dingo watches a human baby.
And Brad Pitt.
That's right.
Your plans never work. You're so predictable.
You call this predictable?
Alligators, yes. I was thinking about it on the way over.
Boom! In your face.
Juvenile.
So scary!
Seen it.
This thing behind this!
Tacky.
What's this one do?
Garish. The spider's new.
Spider? Yes. The spider. Even the smallest bite from Arachnus dethicus will instantly paralyze. Oh! Get it off!
DreamWorks Megamind in 3D.
Dance like it's the last night of your life. Get you right.